Good morning. Today we're going to talk about finding least common denominators. It's super easy to find least common denominators. So if you can grab a pen and a pencil and write these down, that'd be great. I can't make the video too long for some reason. If it's too long, it doesn't let me upload it. So I'm going to kind of make it quick, but you can always go back and you can just pause it, rewatch it, and kind of follow along that way. Okay, so let's say we want to add 2/3 plus 3/5. We can't add them because we have a 3 here and we have a 5 here. So our denominators are different. We need to get them to be the same. The easiest way to do that, you could make a little chart, okay, like kind of like a T-chart, okay? And over on this side, I'm going to list all the multiples of 3. So starting with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I'm going to stop after I do a few. Now I'm going to come over here, I'm going to do the same thing with 5. I'm going to find common multiples of 5, starting with 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look to see if I have any that are common. Let's see, 3 and 5, no, 6, 10, 9, 15. I have to look to see if any of them are the same. I'm noticing something. The first that I come to is the 15 and the 15. That means 15 is my least common denominator, okay? So what I'm going to do is I like to do it this way. I'm going to rewrite the problem over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put next to it the least common denominator. Now the way I like to do it is I think to myself, I want to convert 2/3 to something over 15ths. So I think to myself, 3 times what will give me 15? Oh, times 5. Now if I multiply the 3 times the 5, I have to do the same thing up top to the numerator. So 2 times 5 is 10. So my new fraction is, instead of 2/3, it is 10/15. I'm going to do the same thing to the 3/5. 5 times what will give me 15? 5 times 3. I have to do the same things at the top. 3 times 3 is 9. So now, here's my new fractions that I'm going to add. Now I can go ahead and add them because they're both out of 15ths. So 10 plus 9 is 19 over 15. I know you guys know that that's an improper fraction, so what we need to do is we need to make it a proper fraction, and we're going to turn it into a mixed number. So here's what I do. 15 can go into 19 one time, right? If I subtract 19 minus 15, I have 4 left over. So 15 can go into 19 one time. 19 minus 15 is 4 left over out of 15. The 15 always stays there. This guy's never going to change, okay? He just kind of goes down there. So if I want to check it, watch what I do. I take this mixed number, and I could turn it into an improper by saying 15 times 1 is 15, plus 4 more is 19. So this 15 times 1 is 15, plus 4 more is 19. So we have 19 over 15. It works. So this would be my answer. Okay, now I have to shut the video off in a second because otherwise it's not going to let me upload. Here's the one I want you to try, okay? 4/6 plus 2/4. Make a T-chart. Do what we did up here. Find your multiples, and the first one that they share, that they have in common, is going to be your least common denominator. Okay? I'll talk to you guys. Have a good day.